On what seemed like an ordinary evening, officers responded to a call. A roommate had completely trashed the apartment. But once they arrived, the story they uncovered was far more complicated and far more chaotic than they expected.
What the hell?
What's his name?
Derek.
Derek.
Where is he?
He might be on the box.
Derek. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What? Go in there. Get him.
Derek. What's going on?
Bro, ain't nothing going on. I'm good.
No, you're not good, man.
I don't care about none of this, bro.
What's going on?
What are you
Talk to
going
me,
on?
man.
I'm
Talk
not
to me.
talking to you, bro.
Why?
I don't talk to police, bro.
Why not?
Bro, what do you mean why not, bro? How you been living in this world, bro? What do you mean why not? Are you kidding me? And he really called the police, like.
Just saying.
Stop.
Stop
Bro,
acting.
You're not going to walk through me.
Hang on.
When officers entered the apartment, they were met with an immediate sense of tension. The place was in shambles, and Derek was spiraling out of control. His rage wasn't about his roommate. It stemmed from a broken relationship. His ex-girlfriend had left behind her Apple Watch, revealing messages about another man. This discovery pushed Derek over the edge, directing his anger at everything around him: the apartment, his roommate, and even the responding officers.
What happened? Be sure what the hell happened.
I'm not going to walk through you. You the boss, huh?
You're damn right. Right now I am.
Okay.
What's going on, bro?
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Okay. You're not going that closet.
Me, I'm good, bro.
You can stand here and talk to him then.
Him and his girlfriend have been like, he got robbed because he found out about shit.
That stuff. Okay. Makes more sense.
Derek. Is you slow?
Derek, hey, listen, better calm down, bro. What's going on?
I'm calm. You better calm down.
I'm calm as can be.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, Derek,
Bro,
look at the apartment, man. Look at the
I
apartment.
don't care about this apartment, bro.
Okay, I
I'm
understand that.
finna leave. My girlfriend, my ex-girlfriend, she was seeing, she with some other dude right now.
Okay.
She said she's at her house. She left her Apple Watch here.
Okay.
You can see the messages through her Apple Watch. Seeing all her messages, talking to all these other dudes.
Okay.
She said she went to the airport to pick up her friend. She went to go pick up some dude from Cleveland. She stopped sharing her location with me to go to the airport to go get her friend from Cleveland, right?
Okay.
She got a whole hotel with him. I see the message talking about she want to f him again, all this other stuff. What do you expect me to do?
Oh, this is all her stuff?
Well, this is all our stuff.
See the message. We're supposed to be working on getting back together.
I get it, dude. If that's what's going on, I
You
get it. Yeah.
So don't act like you're crazy, bro.
We're not acting. We're not.
Don't walk.
Like you're
Look,
crazy.
listen, man.
Bro, stop talking to me. I'm talking
Okay, well, listen. If I'm standing here and you're walking at me,
Bro, I'm
and you're trying to push through
That's
me,
my roommate. I don't know
okay,
you.
then you could ask me to move.
Okay,
You don't just
move
push
out my
through
way
me.
so I can go talk to my roommate.
If that's the case, you give me respect, then I'll give you
Can you move out
respect.
the way so I can go
But
talk to my
he doesn't want to talk
Let me
right
take his
now.
information
He,
here.
hey, he just doesn't want to talk right now. He's scared. He told me what's going on, man, and that my heart hurts for that. Shit cannot be
No,
easy.
bro. You can get my information. I'll just give you.
His girl broke up with him, and now she's with another dude right now. So the roommate says that he's been drinking all night.
Bro, I'm not drinking all night, bro.
That's what your roommate said. I
I
didn't
was
say you
asleep.
were.
I just woke up.
Hey, it's the police, man.
Like, I'm seeing all these messages.
I get that's why you're mad. I 100%
Okay.
trust us. We all get
So
it.
what are you talking
no
about?
one's
Drinking all night.
That's
bro.
what I'm talking about. That's what he said.
That's why I'm about to go talk to him. Y'all won't let me talk to him. Talk
Because
about
he doesn't want to
scared.
talk to you, bud.
Okay, so it's that. I don't want to talk to y'all.
That doesn't fucking make sense. Jesus Christ.
What's up, man? Just so we're understanding where you guys are roommates. You guys live here.
Yeah, because what it is. You think we want to be here? No, because you act like a child, so we have to come out here and deal with it because you want to act this way. When everyone else is trying to live their life, you want to act like this, and then we have to come deal with it. And then you're going to be with us. Jesus Christ.
Why are you working on my life?
Because I care about you. I care about everybody.
Know me, bro.
I don't need to know you to care.
Bro, don't lie like that, bro.
Okay, then just go in your room and be
All
mad.
right, I will, bro.
This. So the issue is, you're gonna have to sue him civilly, probably, for all this stuff.
You can't lock up right here.
Where?
I'm waiting on my peoples to come get me.
Okay, man.
Are you
Okay.
you're planning on leaving?
I'm leaving. What are you talking about? I'm leaving.
I'm asking.
Okay, real quick.
Go ahead.
What do you got to act like this, man? You're sitting here acting like a
Put your
child.
hands on me, bro.
Don't walk towards me aggressively.
Bro, I'm not walking towards you
If I'm
aggressively.
standing in here, you walk towards me.
Bro, you in my apartment, bro. What you talking
Okay. Look what you did to your apartment. You're acting like a
Okay,
freaking
then,
child.
my
Here. How
apartment.
about you grow up? You're an adult. How old are you?
I'm old enough to be an adult. What you
Then act like one. Don't sit here and break all your roommate's stuff.
Bro,
Now he's got to deal with
I paid
it.
for this too.
He's got to deal with it though.
I paid
It's
for
not
this
just.
too.
It's you're not.
in his room.
Your actions are affecting him as much as they're affecting you.
I'm not affecting me, bro. I'm letting all my emotion out.
That's how he normally is. Are you guys like usually really good friends? I mean, we can all understand why he's livid. We get it. I'm not saying his actions are okay by any means. The issue is with you guys being roommates.
He's mad at me. I don't.
Why is he?
Because
Can you say something?
no, I didn't see something about I knew the whole time, and
Any threats like I'm gonna hurt you?
no, he just tried to knock down my door.
This door?
Like he literally, it's locked, but he somehow banged it open, and I just kept it shut with my hand.
Who's gonna clean this up? You.
Bro, she is, bro. She get here. I'm making sure she see this, bro.
The she Derek is referring to is his girlfriend. What officers don't know is that she is just moments away from showing up, and when she does, things go completely sideways.
Y'all clean it up? No. So why you worried about who cleaning it up?
Because your actions are affecting him. You're acting like a
Worry
child.
about him, bro. He good.
You should be.
So the problem is you guys live together. So stuff is kind of like mutual property. You're gonna have to sue him for everything that he broke.
Not even if
Basically.
he's like, because he was threatening her when she got home.
She's the victim. She has to be the one that wants to proceed. I can't.
You just have to tell her if she comes here and we have to come back out because there's an issue because they're arguing, then there's a good chance she's going to get arrested and him. Obviously, right now things are tense. Until he leaves, I would say she should not be here. We're not telling her she can't.
Yeah, if she lives
But
here, she
we're
lives
just
here.
If she lives here and wants to come here, she can.
But if we come back out, they're both getting arrested.
If there's an issue or some sort of disorderly between them, we got to do something about it.
As the officers attempt to leave, Derek starts throwing items off the balcony.
I just got to tell him. Hey, Derek.
Bro, I thought y'all left.
Well, listen, man, you're throwing stuff outside the balcony. You can't throw stuff outside.
Bro, I'm throwing her clothes, bro.
Okay, but you can't throw her stuff outside of the balcony.
Come up, bro.
Listen, you can't throw stuff outside. If you want to do stuff in here,
All right.
that's on you. But dude, when you're throwing stuff outside,
All right.
that's not your property.
Okay, bro. Thanks for letting me know, bro.
Still in a ticket?
Yeah, I'm still right more.
Okay. Here's the deal, man. You're still getting a ticket.
Okay, bro. That's cool, bro. I'm not worried about
So now we got to wait.
Wait for what?
Write out the ticket before we can leave. Now just hang out for a sec. You are right now under arrest for disorderly conduct. We're writing you a ticket. Just hang tight, okay? We tried to be cool with you, man.
Bro, I thought y'all left, bro.
We did, man, but you're throwing stuff out the window.
Hello? Bro, can you come get me? She the one who out cheating. For real, the police here. They're all in my face, bro. Come get me, bro. For real. All right.
Hang tight.
She come, bro.
Okay, but hang tight.
She coming.
I know, but we
I gotta
got to
get my stuff.
Okay, but you got to hang tight. How much stuff are you trying to grab? Backpack full of suitcase? Do you know how much?
Bro, all my stuff right here, bro. Bro, where's the ticket? It don't take this long. It take that long to write a ticket.
He's got to write it out, man, by
Bro,
hand.
no, bro. Every time
not
I
just
flip it
printed.
over, y'all write that in 2 seconds, bro.
Derek's girlfriend now arrives.
What the fuck is wrong with
What's
you,
wrong with
Derek?
you, bro?
Derek, I swear to
You swear to God what,
I'm
bro?
gonna kill you. What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's that called, bro? Ain't that a violation or something? She just said she gonna kill me. That's a threat, bro. Arrest her.
Derek, get your shit
I already got my stuff, bro. You late, bro.
on.
You late.
What the
Oh, hold on. Hold on. We're there.
You yelling at me, bro.
You're not going anywhere, man. Just hang tight.
The police tried to calm him down while keeping his roommates safe. But when Derek's ex-girlfriend suddenly showed up, the situation escalated quickly. Their argument turned violent, forcing officers to intervene. In the end, Derek was arrested.
Ma'am,
Oh my God.
listen, I get it's stressful.
I ain't
Please.
gonna kill him. I'm not going to kill him.
What?
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay, but you need to be smart first off with your choice of words, please. And then I get it's stressful, but there's a better way to handle this, okay? What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take him to court, okay? He obviously, because you guys live here, we kind of explained it to your roommate a little bit. You guys have shared property, so you're gonna have to take him to civil court.
No, this is mine. This is all mine. I'm good. I'm not to leave.
You had a good time at the airport, didn't you?
I had a good time at the airport.
Fucking hotel. Look at your laptop.
I'm gonna get all this shit. I'm gonna get all this shit. What are you gonna get? You ain't gonna get scared.
Stop right now. What are you doing back? Put your hand behind your back. Not heads up on me.
Bro, my
Relax.
arms don't bend like that, bro.
Relax.
My arms are not bend, bro.
Bro, look at my right arm, bro. Don't bend like that. Bro, my arm is not
Stop.
Stop. Bro, watch out, bro. Bro,
Stop. Here, relax.
my arm do not bend like that, bro.
I'm gonna have to. Hold on. Stop.
I will readjust the cuff. I swear to God, bro.
Stop tensing up.
Stop, bro. My arm bend like that, bro. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
You're twisting your arm.
I'm gonna do not bend.
Stop.
Bro,
Relax.
Bro, I have to do it myself, bro. My arm do not bend that way, bro. Bro, oh my God, bro. Bro, take these fucking on the arm, bro. I got your back.
Can we readjust? Yes, you can.
Bro, I cannot, bro. I physically cannot move my arm, bro.
What happened? What limits? See, she came here, he grabbed the laptop, threw it at her face.
But that's the offense, bro. She said she gonna kill me. What? Y'all not arresting her? What the fuck you doing?
Did you guys see him throw it? Yeah, he threw it right in front of my face. Oh, okay. Hey, you're under arrest for domestic violence. Okay, so you're going to jail. Let's go.
You don't wait for his mom to get here.
No, going to jail. Don't care. Going to jail. Let's go.
All right, bro. Can I put some clothes on? Bro, I can't put no clothes on, bro. Bro, why are you got me so aggressive? Oh my God.
Stop, dude.
Bro, stop. What, bro?
Relax.
Let's go to jail. Come on.
We
Bro,
told
I don't even
you.
got no shoes on.
I don't care. That's your problem.
Bro, that's all right.
Stop. Stop.
Bro, get off of me.
Relax.
Bro, get off of me, bro.
Relax. Do not try and run.
I'm not trying to run.
What was that? What? You're training for a marathon? Now you're getting another resisting charge.
Bro, I'm trying to fix my arm, bro. My arm.
Stand up.
My arm is not even on my back, bro. Look at my arm.
Relax.
Bro, oh my God, bro.
Bro, what happened to your arm? What's wrong? Something wrong with it?
Yeah.
All right, then I'll get you a squat. Sit down.
I'm not pulling away,
All right,
bro.
we'll get you a squat.
Hey, his cell phone and his wallet's in your in the front. Okay, man. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Everything's
What you got about for me, man? Is this what we're here for?
Ain't going to quarter shirt. He's going to be here for an hour.
Listen, man, are you going to be cool down there? You're not going to give us any issues?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You get where you're at. I can't blame
I
you.
don't understand how she made it back to me, but y'all arrested me.
One threat.
If you want to,
She is right there.
if you want to talk to a prosecutor about that, you can talk to him about it. It's on camera, it's recorded. But it's from our perspective, it doesn't. You can request the footage if you want, but it doesn't.
All right, back, because I
That's
just
fine.
understand how y'all arrested me.
Because here's the thing, man. It did not sound like to us that she was meaning it. It was not like she was running towards you saying, "Yeah, I'm going to kill you."
domestic violence, though, for me just throwing her laptop back.
You hit her in the face with the laptop.
She blocked it. It's on your footage.
You attempted to cause her harm.
I'll read you.
Bro.
It's annoying. I'll read you what it said.
All right.
You know what I mean?
This case reminds us that when anger and heartbreak go unchecked, they can spiral into disaster. Derek didn't just destroy the apartment. He destroyed trust, relationships, and ultimately faced legal consequences. Heartbreak is painful, but violence and impulsive actions are never the solution.